One quote which is your life motto or captures your life.
One quotation which I really am fond of is humans are monkeys with a plan, so take life not so seriously.
Yet another episode, yet another unstoppable human. He's fiery, he's a go getter, he's young, he's enthusiastic, he's been an author and now a founder for over half a decade. He's all rolled in one. That's Varun Chopra for you, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Mamta. Thank you for such an amazing, such a fiery introduction of mine. I have not heard it, but yeah, glad to, very
फिर
humble to
काम
hear
ही
this.
ऐसे करते हो तो क्या करें फिर
Yeah,
करना पड़ेगा ना ऐसे इंट्रोड्यूस.
definitely.
Yeah,
Yeah.
tell me a little. Let's start from wherever it starts for you. Like,
Mm,
what's been the life journey so far?
mm,
Bits Pilani,
mm.
then engineering, going abroad, coming back, writing book, founding an amazing D2C,
Mm.
centered agency. Something that not everybody is doing in this country.
Great, Mamta. Yeah, maybe I'll start with, one of the quotation by Naval Ravikant, which really hit me hard. I mean, he mentions specialization is for insects. So doing a lot of things, I mean, comes very naturally to me, and that's where the journey started. Majorly, Bits Pilani was, as we were discussing
Hmm.
backstage also, was the first entry into an exposure of, there is more to job, there is more to just studying, and matlab,
Life.
how you
Yeah.
how you how you crack exams is a different game, and how you crack life or corporate life or work is a very different game. So yeah, I mean, bits, that is where I started taking parts in dance, in music, in psychology,
Mhm.
and all these were so much more interesting than math, science, and other aspects of it. And especially when college is a life which, while watching in Bollywood movies, we have seen, I mean, you just enjoy, have fun.
Yeah.
So the studious part of me subsided when I entered college, and I kind of entered with a vibe कि यार अब ना बहुत सारी चीजें करनी है, rather than going deep into कि कुछ crack करना है.
Yeah.
Because usually exams, or like engineering college is the first milestone which you
तो अब तो यहाँ
usually.
पहुँच गए हैं.
हाँ,
अब
हाँ.
थोड़ा थोड़ा-सा हॉल्ट करेंगे.
क्या है, और होता भी है थोड़ा-सा, मतलब
या.
बिट्स के नाम पे, आई मीन एवरीवन इज़ ऑन अ हाई इन द फर्स्ट ईयर, बट जैसे ही थोड़ी 3 महीने में पता चलता है कि यू आर अगेन अ मिडलमैन और एन एवरेज गाय हियर, बिकॉज़ ऑफ सो मेनी चैंपियंस ऑफ सो मेनी इंडस्ट्रीज,
ट्रू.
then is where again reality hits hard,
हिट्स.
and you start introspecting, going dive into what am I
या.
meant for, what am I supposed to do.
तो कोई पहला पड़ाव आया ज़िंदगी में which kind of
Hmm.
pivoted the whole perspective of life, challenges or aspirations of life?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, as I was mentioning
Yeah.
to you also, I lost my father when I was in second, third year. That was the month of January, and I was going back to my campus, and I was in the train, and my mom and my dee called. Ki, my dee was in Germany, and my mom was in Delhi, and I got a call कि मतलब कि पापा का एक्सीडेंट हो गया है. तो बट बड़े पापा ने कॉल किया कि यार ऐसा, मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं, मैं जा रहा हूँ पुणे. ही वाज लोकेटेड इन नागपुर,
Okay.
इन अ डिस्ट्रिक्ट, क्योंकि स्टेट बैंक में मूव करते रहते हैं.
Yeah.
And yeah, that is where, I mean, the whole, I got to know 24 hours later that he is no more, and I had to go to that place.
Yeah.
Maybe because that was a very rural area, and in India, rural area do not have so much of medical facilities available on your fingertips like here we have. So I mean, the whole
This was a
thing,
road
yeah,
accident.
this was a road accident, and he
Mm.
was alive for 3-4 hours after the accident. But because there was no hospital and no
Oh.
treatment, he was rushed to Nagpur. But I mean, that happened
Oh,
because
he
of,
were in a much rural district. Like the district
yeah,
was Nagpur. He was somewhere
yeah,
else in
yeah,
Nagpur. Oh, not the main city.
yeah, not the main city.
Oh.
So yeah, I mean, then is where when I went back to campus a month later. Uh, I mean, obviously the question started to occur I mean, there's so much energy release at those emotional period. आई स्टार्टेड क्वेश्चनिंग अगेन व्हेन आई वेंट टू कैंपस कि
Hmm.
यार अभी तो मैं आया था जॉब लेने कि 4th ईयर के एंड में ये करना है, बट द एवरीथिंग स्टार्टेड अकरिंग टू मी. आई स्टार्टेड रीडिंग भगवद गीतास to all kind
Mm.
of
Yeah.
to understand what happens after life, because I was searching for what do we do here, etc.
Yeah.
And then is where I mean this whole thinking and this whole trajectory of यार अभी तक bits was also a beaten path कि यार अच्छा क्रैक कर लोगे आगे अच्छा हो जाएगा. बट एट दैट मोमेंट आई थॉट यार नहीं, अब बीटन पाथ तो मतलब क्या ही होता है बीटन पाथ में. आई मीन
Hmm.
यू नेवर नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सरप्राइजेस कम.
Yeah.
So let's figure out what am I meant for. I went deep into myself, and that's where I started finding good answers also.
Hmm.
That I like to be creative, I like to let's say build businesses later on. When I
Hmm.
realized I like to take risks,
Hmm.
very naturally it comes to me. If I
Hmm.
don't take one, then I go into unnatural self.
Yeah.
Or
So
so
how I mean it's interesting that you speak, although it happened at the back of a very unfortunate event, but how did you get someone to start mentoring you? Did you
mm,
seek out some this whole searching journey? Did you
mm,
seek out someone, maybe any counselor, psychologist, or were you talking to elders? How were you really
mm.
finding these answers?
Sure. So as much as I mentioned that I am an like I might be an extrovert when it comes to gathering, but I'm also at the same time very very introvert when
Yeah.
it goes about finding deep answers. So I rely to a lot of books. I read a lot of books every now and then,
Hmm.
and I feel that changes my mind faster than any
Any
conversation that I can
okay.
have,
Or
because
human influence.
or human influence for
Yeah,
that matter.
yeah, yeah.
So yeah, I mean I went into all kind of law drama, how he was also
Hmm.
asking these questions to Vashishta, who was his guru, ki
Hmm.
matlab why are we here for,
Yeah.
etc. And I kept on reading there even though I didn't find any answer to what is the meaning of life. And
True.
it's a
To
good
my
question
life, like
to my life.
specifically to
Yeah,
my life
yeah,
here.
yeah.
Yeah.
But it's a good question to ask.
Yeah.
You might not need to find the answer, but it's a good question to
Inquiry
ask.
to have. So
Yeah.
you do believe that pain takes you to many spaces?
Yeah, yeah, definitely. I mean, even risk taking is a kind of pain seeking in my own self, because eventually, that's how you grow. So either you make it yourself,
Because you're calling it upon yourself.
yeah, yeah.
Oh wow.
I was reading this book by like Elon Musk, a
Hmm.
biography by
Hmm.
Isaac Waltson. And I mean, if I have to summarize this book, he is a fabricator of pain, and he self fabricates pain for himself, because
Hmm.
he knows, that if you fabricate it, then you grow faster. And but it's tough for you to, you know, basically create pain for yourself every
Yeah.
now and then,
Yeah.
because as humans, we want to laze around, we want to
Yeah,
have chill
totally. And
also. Yeah.
then and I'm sure, I mean, then there are questions all around you. People are like, why do you have to do this?
Yeah.
Everything's going so well. Why do you have to, create something out of nowhere and then take responsibility and push everyone on that path around with you? So
Mm.
how did it manifest for you? Like then you said that, okay, I have to take a bigger challenge in life. How did
Mm.
it started to unfold?
Yeah, so it started to unfold in a manner that I when I was reading books, I thought of writing one also,
Hmm. And
and
you
that
did.
yeah, and I did. I actually wrote on my. This is also very dramatic Bollywood kind of scene that I wrote on my friend's wall. We were sitting in a room कि यार मैं ना इस डेट से पहले ये बुक लिख दूंगा,
Oh
मतलब.
wow.
Yeah, yeah. This is the power of commitment. I feel even when you announce it socially, a lot of things. It's a commitment that you give, and
फिर मैं
maybe
अपनी भी
that.
नहीं सुनता।
हाँ, कि यार दीवार पे लिख दिया
लिख
यार
दिया।
दोस्त की, जब भी उसके रूम में जाऊँगा वो बोलेगा भाई तू कितना, मतलब आधे आधे अक्षर तेरे वो हैं अगर मैंने नहीं लिखी तो।
राइट।
एंड मैंने वो डेट डाली, आई थिंक इट वाज़ 29th मार्च समथिंग, एंड वी वर सिटिंग इन जनवरी। मैंने कहा मैं ना इस डेट से
अच्छा,
पहले,
2
हाँ,
महीने में
2
मैं बुक
महीने की टाइमलाइन है। कॉलेज में कुछ है तो है नहीं, पढ़ाई तो मतलब 0% अटेंडेंस है बिट्स में, एंड आई वाज़ फॉलोइंग इट टू द
यू
कोर
आर
कि
नॉट प्रमोटिंग दैट
नो,
आर
नो, आई
यू?
एम नॉट एट ऑल प्रमोटिंग।
यू मे गेट अ लॉट ऑफ फ्लैक।
Definitely, but
Yeah,
that's a good and a bad. A good is like,
yeah,
yeah, I mean, if you find your calling, you utilize that time. If you
yeah.
don't find, you might waste it. It's
Wasted.
better to go to class and learn something
Learn.
meaningful.
Yeah.
But I was finding my callings every 6 months.
Could you see that this was, I don't know, I'm just asking this,
Hmm.
that was this, कहते हैं ना कि कुछ यूनिवर्सल कॉन्स्पिरेसी फिर शुरू हो जाती है कि भाई द साइंस स्टार्ट कमिंग इन एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, could you pick into it कि यार ये कहीं और से आ रहा है, but whatever it is, I am driven and I have to go this way.
Yeah, for sure. That energy, as you were asking, maybe that was the drastic incident that happened. And after that, I wanted to channelize it in a positive manner.
So, what makes you unbound, Varun? What just kind of
Mm.
snaps you out of a situation? Maybe when you're on a downward spiral or you're just too confused. Are there any ways and mechanisms you've created for yourself? कि यार मैं walk पे चला जाता हूँ या मैं self talk करता हूँ. I've understood you go deep in yourself,
Mm.
but are there practical to dos that you get down
Mm.
to?
Yeah, definitely. In the end, I feel like, we are made of hobbies and routines in
Hmm.
general. We have
Hmm.
certain algorithms that are running. You just need to repolish
We
algorithms.
have certain algorithms that
Yes,
are
yes.
running.
Mm.
Explain that,
Yeah,
please.
for sure. I mean, we are all,
Creature of habit.
yeah, creature of habits. We have certain things in our minds that are, that are popping up because of certain reasons. And I mean, that's how I have revised my algorithms by reading books, because that can only repurpose your, or you know kind of recode your
Hmm.
algorithms
Hmm.
in a manner that that will change your hobbies then, because
Hmm.
first you change yourself from your mind, and then your action starts to change.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, in general, what makes me unbound is for sure a natural inclination towards risk,
Okay.
uh, which is something I'm even training myself to be, even go deep into that route, that if I am a risk
Take one.
attractor,
Yeah.
then I should keep on following it, even though with age you start taking lesser risks
Yes.
because of
Yes.
responsibilities, etc. But
Yeah.
I'm training myself to keep my natural self awake and not go with that route of कि एज के साथ ये होता है वो होता है. बाउंडेशंस है ना एज की, एकदम
Hmm.
खेल नहीं पाओगे. सो आई प्ले टेनिस like
Hmm.
every weekend for 3 to 4 hours. I have my
Hmm.
tennis coaching also. Keeps me sane like anything.
Hmm.
क्योंकि वो जो कोर्ट में you spend the time with your coach, and then the match where you have lost everything, all track of time, and you are just focused on the ball or the next point,
Hmm.
is when you are in the moment. I mean, every sports I feel you are in the moment,
Yeah.
especially those who require so fast reflexes
Yeah.
that you don't have even time to think.
Think.
क्रिकेट में
True.
चलो फिर भी बॉल
Yeah.
अगर कोई साइड पे खड़ा है तो वो
Yeah.
सोच सकता है कुछ, बट
Yeah.
टेनिस में तो आई मीन यू आर ऑलवेज
Absolutely.
ऑन द गो दिस वे.
Interesting. So there is a method to your madness. That means you have created some
Yeah.
way, some process to keep that unbounding alive in your life, right?
Yeah.
Some of your favorite authors, since you read so much, and or maybe your favorite book or
Mm.
something that you're reading currently.
Yeah. Here also, like, I saw a very contrary video. I saw it on YouTube only,
Mm-hmm.
that usually with books, it's not about the quantity, it's about how many times do you read a book, and
How
how
many
much.
times you read like the
A
same
single
book?
book, yes. And how much do you emulate yourself to become that book, rather than going on the width there also. I read Naval Ravikant, like the almanac of Naval Ravikant, 6 times last year, and I also
But
plan to do
why would
this,
you do that?
uh, because I mean, it's rather I would have like 5 to 10 books which I keep on reading for next 20 to 25 years.
What?
Yeah, because they are classics. The writings that are there will not change with time. As that is what I feel. I'm rather a classic, reader. Then I mean, I'll read a lot of like newspaper, magazines. Those
Yeah.
things are there.
But you want to apply those books in
Yeah,
your life, right?
yes. I want to apply it to the core of what is written in them.
ये कहाँ से आया है वरुण? Like
Again, a
where have you
video.
picked it up from?
Yeah, this
Really?
was a very contrary opinion, but I thought it makes
Very
sense.
unpopular.
वेरी अनपॉपुलर ओपिनियन, दैट यार लोगों को होता है अब ये बुक पढ़ लूँ, फोमो हो रहा होता है, अब
Yeah,
ये
yeah,
पढ़नी है,
yeah,
अब ये
yeah.
पढ़नी है. मेरे को होता है कि मैं कितनी स्लोली पढूँ या कितना कैसे ऑब्जर्व करूँ, एक पेज को ही 3 बार क्यों ना पढ़ लूँ. but that author has to be
But
someone
you
I
are
idolized.
you're
Yeah.
really giving me
Mm,
a lot to take in,
mm,
because I am a little attention deficit when it comes to book, and I always
yeah.
blame or shame myself that तुझसे तो एक book भी नहीं पढ़ी गई.
Mm,
But what I do understand is that things that I do like, again, I keep going back to them,
mm,
and I never thought it from this perspective. It's
mm.
a really refreshing perspective indeed. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. That
Have you
was.
seen someone do this in your life
I mean,
like
I saw
that?
it in a video only. As I mentioned, YouTube पे आ रहा था कि these are 5 7. I mean, you get a lot of reels, no?
Yeah.
कि these are 5 things, and really like that person who was making
Hmm,
those
hmm,
videos.
hmm.
So, firstly, the advice which you follow has to come from a person that you idealize so much
Yeah.
that कि यार ये बंदा जो बोलेगा ना. I mean, so
मैं
I
फॉलो
have.
करूंगा.
हाँ, मैं follow करूंगा. So I have those gurus that are virtual. I've never met them,
Yeah.
like Naval Ravikant being one. Matlab, and this guy who was, I don't remember
Hmm.
his name, but he was recording a video कि rather you
He's
pick
a
5 6.
creator on
He's a creator.
Yeah, okay.
कि ये 5 6 books हैं. These have the classic truths of what you need to know, a lot of real life learnings
Hmm.
that it entails, and just read these 5 6 books again and again so that you become, or squeeze the knowledge out of it. So,
Quickly change the gears. Let's
yeah.
talk about Teaser Company. Let's talk about your co-founder. Let's talk about
Mm.
the idea, what you're doing, what you're creating, and how is it fulfilling you?
Sure. So Teaser Company came into prominence almost like 5 years back when I
Okay.
came back from Germany,
Hmm.
and again like started my career as a copywriter. I went to Bombay. I had met the co.
Copywriter, because
Yeah.
you were wanting to write.
Right.
Okay.
But I wanted to write for brands this time to see, because I mean in early childhood stories of Piyush Pandey's and all, Airtel ki ad, or Jhinga Lala, to all those rhymes and memes were in our heads because we saw those ads like thousands of times, right?
True.
So I was curious कि कौन लिखता है, कैसे shoot होती है,
Hmm.
कैसे क्यों लिखी गई, क्या objective था.
Hmm.
So I was going into stories, but this was more purpose and a story. I mean, you
Yeah,
have to
yeah.
solve an objective when you write an
Commercial
ad.
viability. Your
Yeah.
stories have to
Yeah.
fulfill that.
Yeah. So Bombay, I joined Minimalist. There was an agency, Sahil. I met him
This
in a,
is when you came back from Germany.
from
Okay.
Germany. I
Okay.
met the co-founder Sahil in a trip, in Europe, and he mentioned कि आजा अगर इंडिया आ रहा है तो Minimalist join कर ले. And I told him about my book. So क्या है कि तेरे अंदर राइटिंग का तो है ही, तो यहाँ से इंटर्नशिप से शुरू किया.
Hmm.
So that is where I entered into कि क्या होता है जॉब में, and everyone was there. 30 40
Hmm.
लोगों की टीम थी, and I started learning about branding,
Hmm.
copywriting, brand brief कैसे देता है, वो
Yeah.
दिखते कैसे हैं brand managers,
Yeah.
copywriters.
दिखते कैसे brand
हाँ,
manager?
मतलब yeah, I mean those rooms
Yeah.
and mature people
Yeah,
in the
yeah.
room, and I
Yeah.
was, I mean, little at that time. So yeah, that is where it started. I came back to Gurgaon due to I
Hmm.
thought I should be around my mother,
Yeah.
and I shifted job to Gurgaon, worked there for a year. So 1.5 year only, where I had a experience of working as a
Hmm.
employee. But I started getting that vibe कि यार मैं भी कर सकता हूँ, मतलब ऐसा कुछ इतना difficult नहीं है, और
Yeah.
why not take a risk. So I went to my boss. I told कि मेरे को ना कुछ करने का मन कर
Hmm.
रहा है. So उन्होंने बोला कि ठीक है, take that risk if you want. Come back, you have a job for 3 months if you feel the world is cruel. So
Acha.
so
Wow.
that
What
that
an
was.
advice. Huh?
Yeah,
Mhm.
because entrepreneurship is risky. I mean,
Yes.
world is cruel out there.
Hmm.
Whatever you want to sell or do, I mean, they will ask कि क्या किया है, क्यों trust करे, negotiation. You have so many challenges to solve
Hmm.
for,
Hmm.
and then you are the you have to manage everything in the
Hmm.
early days.
True.
So that is where I joined WeWork. मेरे को था कि यार WeWork इंडिया में आया था, और मेरे को था यार अगर बिजनेस ढूंढना है ना तो I need to be around people.
Yeah. Connected and
हाँ.
networked. Yeah.
So I joined WeWork कि यार ये कोवर्किंग है, यहाँ पे कोई तो काम दे देगा. तो I joined it, and
नहीं
2018.
तो आप गए, आपने एक डेस्क ले लिया
हाँ, एक
WeWork
डेस्क
पे
ले लिया कि
और
अभी
कहा
कंपनी
कि,
रजिस्टर नहीं करी है, कुछ
लेकिन
नहीं करा
क्या
है. हाँ.
दिमाग में तो था कि क्या करना है, और वो वाज दैट आल्सो
दिमाग
अ
में था
क्लीन
कि
स्टेट?
मार्केटिंग, हाँ, कॉपी राइटिंग आती है, कॉपी राइटिंग का कोई प्रोजेक्ट उठा लूंगा.
Really,
या
Varun? You just
या
went in like that?
या I was dating my girlfriend who is my wife at that time, and I am Calcutta graduate, in earning more than 2 lakhs a month or something at that time also. So, and I was at a 10 grands ka internship. So you can see the that difference in
Diversity.
yeah, but she accepted it कि यार कर रहे हो तो कर रहे हो, मतलब उस वे में. So I joined WeWork कि प्रोजेक्ट मिलेंगे 3-4 महीने थोड़े-थोड़े आए, कोई 20,000 का आया, कोई 30,000 का आया.
Matlab,
It was
you started just doing the
राइटिंग,
copywriting
हाँ,
work
कॉपीराइटिंग
there.
वर्क
Okay.
कि सोशल मीडिया कैलेंडर्स हो गए, शॉप वेबसाइट की राइटिंग हो गई, ब्रांड कैंपेन्स हो गए, एनी काइंड ऑफ राइटिंग. सो मेरे को था यार ये तो कहीं जा नहीं रहा, 3-4 महीने बाद थोड़े-थोड़े पैसे आ रहे हैं, थोड़े-थोड़े नहीं आ रहे. एंड देयर वर अदर पीपल आल्सो डूइंग सिमिलर थिंग्स. सो मतलब मैं अकेला नहीं था, थोड़े और ऐसे माइंड वाले थे लोग.
So, if you would like to invite someone who is an unstoppable human or would just want to have a conversation with me, write to me at unboundwithmamta@gmail.com. That is unboundwithmamtaa@gmail.com. You can also follow my Instagram @Mamta Podcaster. That is MAMTAA Podcaster. ये इनसाइट की हमको मतलब D2C तो शायद किसी ने सुना ही नहीं था, राइट? ऑफ
हम्म,
कोर्स योर एमवेज were
yeah.
perhaps the only first movers in that space और उसके बाद तो किसी
नहीं,
ने
मामाअर्थ, बोट ये सब हैं जो
हम्म
फर्स्ट मूवर्स थे. जो
D2C में
या जो 8-10 साल पहले. एमवे स्टिल इज़ अ वेरी ऑफलाइन फर्स्ट
या
बिजनेस.
या
D2Cs मतलब जो इसने वेबसाइट से सेलिंग करना शुरू किया, एमवे स्टिल बहुत एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग में
मार्केटिंग का
चला है कि
हाँ
उसने
हाँ
मदर्स और इनको पकड़ के पूरा चैनल बनाया. बट
टपरवेयर फॉर
हाँ,
एग्जांपल
Tupperware. Yeah, I mean, bunch of brands that had started 8-9 years back, but even they didn't know कि D2C से कुछ होगा या नहीं. D2C is just a sales channel. जैसे
या
रिटेल है, शॉप्स हैं, Amazon है, मार्केट
या
प्लेस, वैसे अपनी वेबसाइट से सेलिंग करो. बट या
Yeah, door to door, matlab literally going door to door. How Yakult also, I think the way their whole strategy was D2C initially when they started out selling probiotics and educating the customer and then doing a POS there only, right?
Yeah,
Hmm.
for sure. Direct to consumer in US terms, or in the US, in the Western markets rather, it started like 10-15 years back, almost around 2000 2005, when the Western markets exploded, where people, whenever they used to do product innovation or they used to launch brands online, utilize mediums like
So
Facebook,
basically,
Instagram.
online became a big instrument
Yes.
for D2C to happen. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
for sure. And then COVID happened,
Hmm.
2019. I mean, we were 6-8 months into the journey, but that was rather blessing in disguise,
Disguise, yeah.
that a lot of people stuck to their houses, and majorly they will shop online now because they have no other means. तो ऑफलाइन का सारा मार्केट साइज ऑनलाइन आ गया, ऑनलाइन ब्रांड्स खोलने को और कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं रहा
Yeah.
रिटेल में. So then is where we got, Shaji, Kalchi, a lot of brands. Shaji was a desi ghee, Kalchi was curries. Home cooking started becoming a
Yeah.
big market.
Yeah.
Chairs घर पे लोगों को लेना है क्योंकि work from home हो गया है.
Yeah.
So a lot of markets shifted. We
Yeah.
got, luckily like 6-7 clients in our first year after Shivam was onboarded. तो हम वहाँ पे फिर सीखने लगे. बट वी वर ऑलवेज लर्नर्स कि यार हमने शॉपिफाई सीखा, शॉपिफाई कैसे बनाना है, ऐड कैसे बनानी है वो थोड़ा आता था, परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग कैसे करते हैं, और ब्रांड को स्ट्रैटेजी कैसे डिवाइस करें, ईमेल मार्केटिंग क्या होता है, हाउ कैन वी इंक्रीज रेवेन्यू फॉर आवर ब्रांड्स, बिकॉज वो दोज ब्रांड्स वर ऑल्सो वेरी अर्ली स्टेज. हमारे जैसे फाउंडर्स वर 40-year-old, 45-year-old, 35-year-old डिपेंडिंग, but still they were also in their early stages. Then I mean, while starting business, I got this advice कि business शुरू ना एटलीस्ट 5 से 10 साल की विजन के साथ करना. डोंट गो इनटू इट कि 1 साल में 2 साल में वापस मुड़ जाऊंगा.
अच्छा.
तो मैं जब डे 0 पे था तो मेरे को था चाहे जो मर्ज, दैट वाज द फाउंडेशन अगेन, कि 5 से 10 साल तो करना ही है. इससे पहले तो सक्सेस और फेलियर को डिफाइन ही नहीं
देखना भी
करना है.
नहीं है.
हाँ,
Wow.
मतलब
Wow.
डिफाइन ही नहीं करना है कि ये सक्सेस हुई है कि फेलियर हुई है, क्योंकि बिजनेस इज
Where do you see yourself right now?
I mean, we are enjoying. It's again, if you love what you do, then I don't tire myself. I work like 16 hours, 17 hours also in a day, even Saturday, Sunday. And it's a work-life integration which has happened कि मैं Monday को अगर wife के साथ spend करना होगा या खेलने जाना होगा, I'll do that. Obviously, I have foundations
Yeah,
and I
of
have
course.
teams and responsibilities. But still, I merge myself into कि अभी एक business conversation है, फिर एक family meeting है, फिर
Yeah.
again एक
Yeah.
investor pitch है,
Yeah.
फिर अचानक अचानक से कुछ कंपनी में फट गया. So those transitions are now coming seamlessly, जिसको टाइम लगा, 2-3 साल लगे टू ट्रेन माय माइंड कि अरे स्विच क्या होता है, फ्राइडे तो फ्राइडे होता है, सैटरडे तो सैटरडे होता है. अभी
Yeah,
से कॉर्पोरेट
yeah,
लाइफ में कि
yeah.
फ्राइडे शाम को 6 बजते
या
ही.
या मतलब घड़ी
हाँ,
देखते अब वीकेंड
हाँ,
शुरू हो गया. वीकेंड है, व्हिच वीकेंड आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट?
हाँ.
Either it's everyday weekend or it's everyday
Yeah,
weekday.
every day is
So
same. So
yeah,
that is easy
true,
also to
true,
handle.
true.
You don't have to switch your mask on a
True.
Saturday, Sunday.
Actually, you can be in
हाँ,
that gear, right? Because आपका एक डिसिप्लिन तो बना ही हुआ है, एक
yeah,
रूटीन तो बना ही हुआ है. तो आप सैटरडे को सैटरडे मत ट्रीट करो,
हाँ,
संडे को संडे मत
yeah,
ट्रीट
yeah,
करो,
yeah,
मंडे को भी मंडे मत ट्रीट करो.
yeah,
Don't
yeah,
be frightened with it and don't
yeah,
get those blues. And what's with this new thing that you are now launching, Homified, and what all are we listening? What is it?
yeah,
What have you gotten yourself
yeah.
into?
Yeah, I mean, the next challenge, as I mentioned, after scaling the agency, I mean, we were again at the
How many clients for you now? Like, if
currently,
you can go on record
yeah,
and yeah.
sure. Teaser currently has almost 70 odd brands with
Wow.
us. We are
So
handling,
day in and day out, you're working with 70 different
yes.
clients, categories, pitches.
Yeah, I mean, our teams are working now,
Yeah.
Shiva and me. We are maybe, setting the right members in place.
Hmm.
0 to 1 journey was bringing clients, finding the niche, finding the value addition. Now it is finding the team members who can, take the organization forward. It's a
Hmm.
lot of founders that are not able to make themselves come out of the operations and the
Hmm.
business.
Hmm.
But now we have to take that leap, and it's also a challenge to solve. कि अब कौन लीड करेगा टीम को, who
Hmm.
will be these people. I mean, the people I have associated with us for over 3-4 years,
Hmm.
they started as a 20 grants in hand salary to now
True.
1 lakh plus, and they are 26-27 year olds.
Yeah.
So very proud of, even they themselves have seen कि यार 3 साल में मैं 6 गुना सैलरी पे आ गया
Yeah.
हूँ, आ गई
Yeah.
हूँ. And touchwood, we have 60% female, and we are very proud of it with respect to, I mean, how they control, how they, manage things
Hmm.
diligently. I mean,
Hmm.
not to say men, matlab, but we have like a lot of good team members
Yeah.
here. So now teaser company, the challenge is we need to bring a CEO, we need to bring a senior people who can lead this organization. Whereas me, Shivam, we invested almost 14-15 odd lakhs in last 6 to 8 months, in the first 6 to 8 months of starting Homified.
Homified.
So
Yeah.
Homified, I mean, came as a vision to just simplify living. I mean, if we have to squeeze the juice out of what we are doing, is very, how we can make. We wanted to be in electronic space
Hmm.
for some reason or the other, because I mean, again, Shivam strategized कि यार इसमें ना margins होते हैं, इसमें
Hmm.
depth है, TAM है, we know
Hmm.
boat and noise and whatnots
Hmm.
have scaled to, so much crores in revenues. So, and we spoke to a founder of Goki,
Hmm.
Champ Alreja, the other day. He
Hmm.
told कि यार चाइना जाओ, एक बार ना विजिट लगा के आओ. हमने उस
Hmm.
समय फंड रेज ऑलमोस्ट चल रहा था, अभी क्लोज नहीं हुआ. So we went to China.
Hmm.
We saw कि यार चाइना तो मतलब हमसे इतना 10 साल आगे. वो एक्चुअली फील हुआ
Hmm.
when we went to their factories and when we saw, I mean, so many cool products,
Hmm.
and we saw US के भी brands यहीं से import करा रहे हैं. So
Hmm.
it's actually the manufacturing hub
Hub.
of
But isn't the landscape changing for what we've been seeing? How the narrative is building on,
India and Vietnam. Yeah.
yeah, and Vietnam and Taiwan, and also India taking the center stage as far as manufacturing is concerned. Isn't it really
Yeah,
changing?
yeah, for sure it's changing. I mean, the thought have come in, but
Yeah.
the execution will take it on takes,
Make in
will
India
make in
and
India.
yeah, yeah.
These are still, I mean, great ideologies, I believe, and it will happen.
Hmm.
But it is just, it's pushing the society as of now.
Hmm.
But still, I mean, what they did in last 20 years
Hmm.
will still take India some time to be there. I mean,
Be
it's
there.
great that we are
Yeah.
pushing fast. We have the demographics, we have everything right. But what they have built, I mean, they are running an engine for last 20 years, whereas
Yeah.
we are start establishing one.
Yeah.
So, I mean, we went there, we
So
figured
you
out.
saw the opportunity. There is a market fitment. Have you designed these products yourself? Like, how are
Yes.
you getting this done?
Yeah, so I mean, we went to China, and in India, we had validated that, Indian users are on the phone 5 to 6 hours average as of now per day.
Hmm.
Chinese users are 15 to 16 hours on their phone every day.
Wow.
That's the
But
difference.
that's crazy.
Yeah. Imagine 15 to 16 hours, because I mean, they were ahead of the technology curve, further away from us. But
Hmm.
uh, but like yeah, we relied on one. Maybe it could be a cultural thing that might happen in India also.
Hmm.
We feel Indian societies are similar to Chinese,
Yeah.
more Eastern
In many
societies
ways.
in
Yeah.
many ways.
Yeah.
So we thought that maybe in India also 4 5 years down the line, people might start using phone devices too much,
Hmm.
and we realized, I mean, power banks is a good market to enter.
Okay.
Uh,
So what sort of power banks are
yeah,
these?
I
Like,
mean, these are, I mean, if I'm carrying one
yeah.
also, if to show these, this is a very
Wow.
mini
Ladies
supercharge.
and gentlemen, always stay ready with your brand. You never know where you'll get an opportunity to promote
Yeah, for sure.
it.
You
Yeah.
see Aman Gupta
Yeah.
wearing his watch and
For
boat and
sure.
all. So
मेरे को क्या लगाना चाहिए अनबाउंड का? I should have something.
yeah, I
Yeah.
keep on like whenever any people need ki battery die ho rahi hai.
Ammunitions.
Yeah, that's my brand plugin. You know, even I go to conferences, यार मेरा phone die हो रहा है. बहुत लोग पूरे
My
दिन बैठे हैं.
God.
I can
D2C.
yeah, D2C.
He's the D2C guy.
Yeah, for sure.
Interesting. So just tell us a
But yeah,
little.
talking about the product, I mean, in
Yeah.
India, we figured out that people still need cables. I mean, this is a
Hmm.
wireless power bank.
Yeah.
You keep your phone on it, it will
Yeah.
charge it. So it's a convenience also to the people, but still it has a lot of cables for different devices.
Acha.
And yeah, this is a mini supercharge which is
Okay.
about to be launched. And I mean, yeah, we have different
My God, we've
colors
got a
and
curtain
models.
raiser here.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
Thanks, Varun.
So yeah, I mean, these are some
Yeah.
chargers that are fast charging. I mean, we launched a
Yeah.
fast charger also, which charges at 35 watts. I mean, typical chargers are 15 watt. It
Hmm.
means it will charge you at a speed of, let's say, in an hour, you will go from 5% to 40% in your battery.
Hmm.
But we launched a charger which takes you from 5 to 94% in an hour. So almost like,
So you've done your mathematics. Coming
so,
to
yeah.
some fears and challenges, which have, and you know, glory तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. किसी भी चीज़ की सक्सेस तो बड़ी अच्छी लगती है, बट जहाँ पे हम रुक जाते हैं, जो चीज़ें सबसे ज़्यादा पुल्स और स्टॉप्स लगाती हैं, आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दैट. Are there any identified patterns that you have seen in yourself कि यार ये बहुत बड़ी तरीके से आता है ना, I have to train myself for that. Something that you had to break. Maybe you bias towards your own self or world around.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I'm these days I'm working on for sure about humility. I mean, with respect to after you grow certain age, I mean, your head can get high, and it has happened with me also. Sometimes I get high कि यार ये क्या मतलब, but still you have to train yourself to be humble
Yeah.
again. And yeah, that is something I'm training myself. कि यार मतलब क्या ही है ऊपर मतलब then these ego things and you know showing off and ये सारी चीज़ों में कुछ मज़ा नहीं आता. In the end, it guilts you only कि यार ये क्या कर दिया. If you are
Yeah.
self-conscious about
Conscious.
it.
Yeah.
So I'm very self-conscious, learning humility in general. I want to play tennis at a national level. That is something
Really?
I want to do it
Yeah.
along a business.
Yeah.
I mean, even if, I don't know if you know Nikhil Kamath, Nitin
Of
Kamath
course.
brothers.
Of course.
These guys are Ironman athletes, and so they kind of inspire कि यार इतनी बड़ी organization बनाना एक. I mean, you can wear multiple hats. वो husbands
Yeah.
भी हैं, then they are athletes also, then they are business owners also. So these things and kind of you know puts value into each other also. मतलब वो help कर रहा होता है when you keep yourself motivated in some other form other than your business as well. So I'm trying to give more time into just one sport
Okay.
now क्योंकि मैंने एक value देखी कि when you have to go deep if you have to do something you know good in it.
Yeah, that's
If-
that's the mantra of the today's episode. I think go deep, create value. Right? There always is a bigger chance for you to dig
Yeah.
something rather than playing
Yeah.
too wide.
True. Play long term game with long term people
Yeah.
is something the mantra which I go by. But challenges wise, yes, I mean in business you have to change yourself every 6 months. I mean we had to take pivot
Yeah.
in teaser company every 6 to 8 months, and by pivoting means कि हमारा role भी बदल जाएगा, हमारी organization का structure भी बदल जाएगा, and the way of thinking भी बदल जाएगा.
और फिर आप अपने विजन पे कैसे, how do you keep an eye on that? It still has to align with the vision. With all those changes, it still has to align to that, is it?
Yeah. So I mean, if your values are so again, vision definitely. I mean, there for Homified, it's simplified living, which is is something we'll justify once we go 10 years down the line. Ki haan, what we were doing is all we're trying to simplify life by selling power banks, kal ko smart luggage, kal ko bunch of products. With teaser company, we are so in love with advertising. and creating remarkable ads that converts. That's our mission. So whosoever we pick are should be people who want to create new innovative content. उनको मजा आना चाहिए
Hmm.
content बनाने में.
Hmm.
उनको accountability होनी चाहिए कि यार इस content से sales भी लेके आनी है, क्योंकि
आनी है.
content in general have no value.
Hmm.
Content that brings sales have certain value to it. So ये vision है. Long term में, short term में, these challenges of how you re-evaluate yourself as per market. Market कल को AI आ गया, video बनाने लग गया सारा,
Yeah,
क्या
yeah.
करेंगे? You have to quickly evolve.
This is our absolute tail end of the show. We are in our rapid reflex round. My personal favorite, kind of a rapid fire. Hamper to nahi hai, but we are waiting for that to come from Teaser Company.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
No, jokes apart. So this round, I would just throw a volley of questions on you.
Okay.
You can answer maybe in a liner or maximum a word. Try to make it a word or maybe a liner then. Okay. So are you set for this, Varun Chopra?
Yes, excited. Yeah.
All right. Life to you is,
Beautiful.
love to you is,
Exploration.
okay. If not, D to C. Finish the sentence for me. If
Tennis.
not, tennis, professional.
Yes.
Oh wow. Your wife's name?
Ankita.
Okay. How long have you known her?
7.5 years.
All right. Food to you is
Lust.
lust. Oh my God, that's for the first time.
Yeah, I see it like that.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Then in that case, travel to you is
Finding yourself.
okay. While not getting lost.
Definitely.
Okay. Then family to you is
Peace.
favorite book.
Almanac of Naval Ravikant.
You've really promoted that. One movie which is like your forever go to.
Forever go to. I really like watching Amir Khan films, be it Dangal or Lagan or those aspects, because I feel those movies have captured a lot of emotions, ups and downs. Yeah, so I'm a Bollywood buff. Even though lately, so I'm not able to watch too many movies. But whenever Amir Khan comes in, like I'm a fan of him. Yeah.
Super. Place, people, or events. What draws you the most?
People.
Never have you ever?
Chemical drugs.
Okay. I'm not getting into the
Yeah.
details of it.
Yeah.
One thing that is a must do for Varun first thing in the morning.
Drink 2 liters of water. Okay. First,
And one thing which is a must thing before you head off to sleep.
writing my diary.
All right. Just one quote or any inspiring lines which is actually your life motto or captures your life.
Yes, one quotation which I really am fond of is that humans are monkeys with a plan, so take life not so seriously.
With that, you have truly come unbound, Varun. I am so glad that you were so unabashed, so authentic, so from the heart, and no filter.
Yeah, no filter.
No filter. Awesome. Absolutely awesome to have you, to host you, to have this honor, to be learning so much from someone who's so young but so wise. Thank you so
Thanks
much.
a lot. Thank you for the team, for everyone here in the room.
Thank
and
you
the
so
energy that
much.
you
We are
created.
really delighted and we are really looking forward to this episode soon. So
sure.
let's stay unbounded together. Can we
Thank
say
you.
that again? Together? Yeah.
Sure.
Let's stay unbounded together. Thank you so much for tuning into this episode. And for all the episodes, you can come back to Unbound with Mamta, now available on 20 plus audio streaming platforms Spotify, Amazon, Ghana, iTunes, Google Podcasts, or wherever else you get your audio. We are also available on YouTube at the Boss Hub channel. So keep unbounding together.